Welcome, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, #1 educational speaker in the whole world is your host with the most. As I'm in the locker room, bafethu. Tankololo, and ngizocela ngokuthi bafethu ngiyamcela bafethu sidinga ukukhola. Ngidinga ukukhola as your host, sidinga ukukhola as a crew bafethu. Ngicela ni subscribe lapho ni like and comment and share bafethu. Niyenze konke. That's the least you could do for the crew, for Uppercut Podcast, for #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Ngiditshela kaofela bafethu. Ngiditshela kaofela. But first things first. Bafethu, awunamthasa shebing dipolitiki. Aba politicians ayatrenda. I-era yama-politician atrendayo manje. Yabo, and we can't help it. But ukhuluma ngazo lezi zinto because esibona kwama-politicians thina politics thina. Bapolitika ngathi, bakhuluma ngathi. Yabo, mabathi they are fighting for people, infrastructure that, education that, health system that, water and sanitation that. They are talking about us, minerals that. They are talking about us, my friend. We are the poorest of them all. Bayazi ukuthi thina basibambe kanje ngevote. Yabo, ukuthi vote asizokwenzela kanje, vote asizokwenzela kanje. Yabo, ngike ngasho mina ngathi mina ngifuni mina i-political party ezongitshela nge-manifesto yabo. Yabo, I have my manifesto. Yabo, if there is something ngeqiniso lokuthi people shall govern. This government is for the people, by the people, for the people. If leyo nto iqiniso bafethu, why baza ne-manifesto kimi? Ngasho ngathi abotsotsi abenza kanjalo. Bavala thina idingo zethu. Mabaqeda lezi zabo bangasifulfill futhi. You understand? Bangasifulfill. Banamagama wabo politically. Uyazi ukuthi field in the field inamagama wabo. Their own words, their own names. Uyamthola. Bona bazokutshela nge communication. Yini le enye le protocol.
Pipeline.
Izinto zisaseko pipeline. You understand? Language yama-politician le. Have patience. Yabo. Babe badle imali bona. It has been proven recently. Umkhonazi. Shout out big man. We are right behind you. Angazi ngabanye ke. As for me now the #1 educational speaker in the whole world, I am right behind Umkhonazi. You know, ngenkathi zethu masikhula, they used to say, hey, mawukhipha indaba eziso bathi uyi-snitch, uyimpimpi wena. And impimpi yethu wamo-South Africa, impimpi yabulawa. Yabo? But now, ngiyajabula izinto zishintshile. Yabo? Izinto zishintshile. I-corruption, le khuluma ngalawo magama, abantu abavimba i-corruption abathi impimpi yabulawa. Hence sibona nama-politicians wethu ayabulawana wona selufu, ayabulawa. Babulalane bona ngokwabo. Balela ini imali. Uzwa bakhuluma ngama-700,000 millions. Bakhuluma imali engakayiboni ngamehlo. 800 million, 700 million, 200 million. Uyamthola amathenda bawobiza amathenda. Indlela yokubiza izinto isipolitiki leso. Amathenda. You understand? Ngapha bayenza izinto sifocusele thina singabantu. Yabo, ngapha babebadla ngapha. Yabona? But anyway ke bengekho kuma politicians bafethu kwezepolitiki sithulile sisabhekile manje. Yazi kumnandi ukubheka. Just watch. Yabona? Although wazi. And the mawungabheka before iphela lento uzobe sowazi. Yabona? Yeah. Shout out to Mr. Malema. Hey, kwenzakalani ngamla yami ngizwa bathi guilty kuphi. yabo manje ngiyazibuza ukuthi wena ububiza abantu ngamabhantiti ungizisa ubuhlungu mfana semseni hayi benzisa ubuhlungu le athi but ngiyazi ukuthi bekangakhulumi nami yabo yeah he was not directly talking to me yabo but manje you can't call other people amabhantiti mfowethu abanye babo bebangazimiselanga abadrive impilo enzima ngezinye indlela uyamthola umuntu nomuntu unestory sakhe right now nawe sonesakho istory ngubizeni wena ibhantini anyabuza nje but wena ngizwile you are convicted but isigwebo sithini yabo angakezwa isigwebo before mina ngakhetha ukuthi ngokubizani okwamanje ngokubiza lutho uMalema chief of staff in I respect you as a citizen of South Africa when Chola my brother yeah but now Shebalwena you are about to be called ibhantini officially
is implicated
yeah but maybe you might escape present time yabo kezuma aka escape at present time kachelete fine this yabo yeah so ilwa kabyam ilwa sela imnandi awunasathabenselo bezwe bonke bayakhuluma no Mr Zuma uke wathi yena ngalisabi ijele mara wathi makaya wagula the following day wathiwa yagula angalalanga naseseleni alala empedeni no right but in prison
yes
ashide ithombe nje kahle nyagula makahlala nje yagula so prison is not right Mr Malema fight it
yes
don't go there yeah but now ke no Mr lo qeda ukushonela le eFrance mfowethu
who's that
Mr Nathi Mthethwa may his soul rest in peace he was a minister of this minister of that naye ubuya kumapolisa mos Mr Nathi Mthethwa ubuya kumapolisa he was a minister of police at some point akalungisanga lutho is proven by uMkhonazi angithi and igama lakhe livelile ukuthi kumele eze naye phambi kwe commission yabona uyathintekala naye but now selashonelele why ashonela le yabo politically ngingabuza mina le mbuzo ukuthi why ayashonela le kude ngoba manje yenza ukuthi sizume kunuke something manje ibhoma isanuki njengebhoma senama perfume ngaphakathi ibhoma kanjani manje yabona angafika ideath
yeah it's possible
yeah nami kube ngiseqathelweni zakho benze fake ideath ngiyohlala eFrance le maplazini akhona le ngiyengikhula ifamily yami izombona sizoloko sithintana ngoba izinto zama politicians hamba pipeline mos yabona zamba pipeline izinto zama politician so mina I don't believe it bangamenza umuntu simbone ama scientists ayiprovile lento bangamenza isithombe esifana no Mr Mthethwa lento le dala yamthola and ingaplanwa fast futhi ngenxa yokuthi labantu ba connected banemali you understand banemali bona bayazi ukuthi bangaplan into namhlanje yenze after 15 years because abantu agayi baloko baphuwa abantu bayagula akulonge lutho abantu bayakhala nenene basibiza idust bathi hayi don't worry dust will settle yamthola yeah amagama wabo abo Mr Qela abo Mr Banibani bababizile you understand so it's very dangerous bafethu lento engiyibona manje because ngokuqabanga nje I predicted this ukuthi kuzofa abantu so I still say abanye kungayenzeka ama accident abanye kungayenzeka ama suicide abanye kungayenzeka ama pew you understand bafethu yeah because people's lives are on the line here you understand for real people's lives are on the line here abantu bazoluza ama legacy abantu bayejele ijela lekhomnandi bayalazi lokho bayalazi balisaba kabi mfethu you understand esibona bayenza ubutsotsi bakufihle ngesudu basebenzisa abantu abaphuka yabo I'm saying to South Africans bafethu asithulele sibheke siye kokulwa ukuthi hands off Zuma hands off nathi mthetho hands off isimahashula sibayekeni labantu bafethu siboneni kuzoyenzakalani na-South Africans.
Let them take accountability.
Yeah, asibayekeni bafethu isikhathi sifikile angithi manje ukuthi they must pay. Those who are corrupt, they must pay. So nale commission siboneni ukuthi iphelela e-court na kuyoconvict abantu na abantu bayejele. Mina I can't wait to see abo baba banjengoba bokhona eMantashe in orange. Yeah, alo what? Sithi tata, thank you. Corruption I say. Because according to me, mina mangembheka nje is the face of corruption. Angazi why. I don't know. Ungixolele tata kuleyo ndawo but mangembheka nje mina hayi khona. Uyatshontsha kaloku. Yabona? Yeah. So enough about politics. Ngiyabonga bafethu. So enough about politics. So bafethu indaba engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo la, the very important issue is indaba yabo grandfather and grandmother, elders, you know, older citizens bafethu. It's very important lezi zinto sizithathe because sikhuliswa yibo thina abantu. Yabona abanye bayazi bafundile abodokotela abothisha bomkhoyisa namhlanje ngenxa kagogo bafethu. Yabo abazali bethu thina abanye bayabalahlisayidi ngendlela zabo. Yabo but abogogo bayilungisa le ndaba. Yalunga kwabanye azange ilunge, kwabanye azange bazame. Ngenxa yezizathu bafethu eziningi. You know abogogo ngisho ngithi mama abogogo bayafihla ihlazo. I'm sorry. They hide the embarrassment of the family. And there is a reason for that. Because sababoni life manje, reality phela empilweni. Remember they've been here, they've done that.
They've lied to themselves.
They've seen that, they've lied to themselves. Everything that we do, they've done that. Everything bafethu. Bayenzela abogogo bethu nabomkhulu. Na main point yabo. Abogogo zothola ukuthi yibo abasikhulisayo. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi bangazimiselanga. It was not their plan. Yabona but life happens. Uthola ukuthi umama umshiya nogogo yabo behamba eNyamalala. Or umama uyagula uyashona njengowami personal uyewagula washona. But I was already living with my grandmother at that time. Umama ngifile ukuthi umama ukuphi ngisibuze imibuzo. Yabona even namhlanje angayithola impendulo. Ngisengayenza iphisi ngaleyo ndaba. So sinama reasons are different ukuthi uze kanjani sikhuliswa abogogo nabomkhulu. But into engibonile futhi bafethu abogogo basikhulisa bangasazi. Ngeke ngayicabanga leyo nto. Abogogo nabomkhulu sisala nabo nje abasazi ibomo zethu zangempela. Abazi abobaba bethu ngizama ukusho leyo nto. Yabo and that is very crucial when we grow up. Yabona bafethu ibongo because we are so attached nazo. Yabo our surnames. Yabo siyibongo right. Sibelieve njengabotaki satshelwa safundiswa nathi ukuthi you must use your father's surname. Yabo khabo baba igazi, khabo mama ilimi. Yabo so lezi zinto lezi zonke kuthiwa isibongo sifuneka usebenzise sikabo baba. But thina abakhuliswa abogogo bayasinengisa ngizoyibeka kanjalo. Sanengiswa ngibongo. Ibhlungu le ndaba mfethu because mangathi nyabheka ngengamamela kubo bonke abantu abake babeka izitori zabo la kuma social media yabo amasename abasebenzisa wabo yabo so kula ifike ngithusa khona sikhuliswa abogogo ubuningi bethu sikhuliswa ngabazali bethu abanye abazali njengoba sengishilo bebaloku baphila abanye besibangeko bashona sibancane kakhulu yabo so engakulento eyibongo futhi kuyizophana ngenkinga because naku manje thina sesaye ugebengweni saboshwa sayenzani sayenza izinto ezimbi yabo igeneration namhlanje isayenza leyo nto because sesiyababona sikhulile sesibheke emuva ukuthi hayi sase the same life esikhule ngayo mawungayibhekisisa lethu akusishintshanga lutho in terms of mentality yabodaki behavior yabodaki akukashintshi lutho bafethu yabo into engibonayo yokushintsha infrastructure yabo thina sisasiphikiswa kanjani siyababona abontanga abosisi bethu unabantwana nga2 nga3 I'm not blaming anyone I'm just stating fact here unabantwana nga3 nga2 nga4 nga5 mawuthi uyabheka ibonga zabo sihlukile nabogogo bethu abasasebancane nabo abasadinga ukujola nabo abasanama feelings nabo abantu phela we are all human sidinga ukuthi quickly kubo gogo uyohlala nestep mshana ngazi ngayibeka kanjani step grandchild ikhona leyo nto yeah so masikhula naturally sifuna impendulo whether siyabuza or siyazibuza yabo grade 2 if laba engiphila nabo bangafuni ngibabuza banganempendulo ngiyahamba ngiyobuza somewhere or ngizibuze and leyo nto izongisinda lapha futhi ngiyantshela asilungiseni kusesemanje don't waste that time don't risk that because wena uzobe somdala sonokuzitshela wena ukuthi hayi mina ngisananda mina uNkulunkulu noma ngangithatha akunandaba mina sengikhulile mina sozozikhuthaza wena sowazi ukuthi inhliziyo yakho ibuhlungu wena ubaba umama inhliziyo yakho ibuhlungu ngaleso sikhathi kodwa uyasikhuthaza ukuthi ugcina sokhuluma amagama ayingozi engasabayo but siyawakhuluma lezothini sizothini hayi mina labantwana bayangihlula mina kimi ngithatha ukuthi it's an insult to God our creator because umntwana isipho esibuya kuNkulunkulu a gift I don't know what to say I understand like a gift yet ngibonile ukuthi abaningi ase understand because we still go into traditional healers so that we can give birth we believe that we are dirty inside yabona or sivalekile or into yabona but not so but secretly siyazi senze sesimanje sikhuluma emehlweni abantu ukuthi hayi yazi ngivalekile mina ngingcolile ngiloyiwe blame this and that but uyazi ukuthi ke wayenza yaphushi we out to wazi ukuthi how many mbizas have you drink in your life zenzeni lezo zinto ama after effect walezo zinto ayenze angeke uphuze into ongayazi mfethu engabhalwanga ne description ukuthi kunani phakathi lesocabanga ukuthi uzoba right not that time awuyiphuza ingayenza umsebenzi wayo but in the long run yona isaliyenza mhlawumbe ungazishaya wathi i-detoxile ephumile emzimbeni uyazishaya ingenile systemini tata ingenile systemini so mase sikhula singamajensi siba desperate ngenxosi senze competition some kind of yabo ngenxosi yami ini mara ekugcineni ungazizwe ezinye indaba because mostly abantwana manje ngiyabona abathandana nabantu abadala yabo bazozishashaya bathi basebenzisa icondom icondom engasebenza ne-first round second round is very 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 hard because no mfethu akasaqini kahle bangakhulumi ngathi uyephela yenzayo lento mawuchabheka is a very young boy nge-30 years nge-35 years even 40 for that matter yabona sozotshela umuntu we-50 years ngiyenze 10 years before wena masilento yabona so I'm saying for the second round ayisaqini kahle yabona so and i-condom seyatswafisa yabona seyatswafisa i-condom abanye beni bangibuza sephakathi ukuthi manje i-condom wayabuza sephakathi awubona ukuthi niyafana nonke ningabutsotsi lonke lapha wayabuza sephakathi yabona but anyway zonke le nkinga lezi sizenzayo mafethu abo baby let's move in omunye azi ukuthi akekho serious ngomunye please let it stop mafethu because lezi zinto ziyobuyela emuva kubogogo I've seen how my granny suffered ngabazukula abazali baloku bakhona noma sebangekho I've seen her yazi mangakhuluma not to say mhlambe ngithi she's the only one but ugogo wami bafethu Yeah, she was the strongest. Abangabhekana abantwana abayi-12. Abazukulwana, I don't even know myself. Sibaningi. Yeah, but into engiyibonile ngogogo wami, yazi ukungcwaba umntanakho ngomzali. Ngibone emehlweni kagogo wami leyo pain. Ugogo wami ungcwabe almost maybe 8 if I'm not mistaken. Yabantwana bakhe, just imagine. Ungcwabe 8 yabantwana bakhe. Asebenzisa imali yakhe, i-society sakhe. Is that how we should live, South Africans? Cela sikhaphule imichain bafethu. Yabo, singama-family senze noku-right for the next generation. Abantwana bona labo claim ukuthi uyabathanda manje. Abomongozana ngikhuluma ngabo, ubabheke. Ngikhuluma ngabo. Do the right thing for them. In future bafethu ukuthi i-future yabo bazokhona ukuthola some kind of foundation.
Yes, stable.
Yamthola. Sizobeka lento ye sense of belonging, ngifuna belonging because mina ngikhuliswanga umama yabona. Let us cut that chain. Leyo nto le yenza abantwana babheka abamanje. Ngoba ama-drugs awes sewamixwe something ezi-west. Hayi manje siqhuma ama-retex bafethu and then amathopo intwana zethu ayaqhuma. Amathopo wamantombazane wethu amancane bafethu ayaqhuma sibabhekile. Balahlekelwa umqondo ama-drugs. Yabona, siphinde singazi ukuthi sizobasiza kanjani mfethu. Sithi umoya, sithi amadlozi, sithi uloyiwe, sithi uyagula. Asazi masithi uyaguluguliswa yini, uyamthola. Kwesinye isikhathi abasingabazali mfethu. We don't even say it's drugs. Yes. We hide it. Silolu sport. Mina ngithatha ukuthi ngoba simbonile abazali abaningi especially abomama bayayenza lento most yabona babahambisa kuphi baba la ku wrong khona or maybe la kubonakala ku wrong khona because akekho one umntanakhe yabona not to say umntanakho we-one yabona i-pride nje masingayivala sasiza abantwana sakhulumisana ngevala nala bathanda ukuhlekana aniyekeni manje ukuthola ijoy ku-pain yomunye umuntu, ku-sorrow yomunye umuntu. Yabona? Inhliziyo yomuntu ebabuhlungu. Because wena abantwana bakho bayenza the way ubona ngakhona bayenza right. You never know. We are still alive here. This is life. Yabona? Who would have thought ukuthi ama-politician laba badla imali? Besiloko se-speculate nje. Yabona?
Now it's coming out.
Now it's coming out. Now it's coming out. So for the future, senze lona abantwana bethu into right. Angithi ku wrong. Abogogo mina into engibonile they feel like nina abantwana babo niba-disappointile. So they can fix that emotionally ngabazukulu. That's why I say, hamba uyofeba ushiya abantwana babo. You understand? And ngeke ahlala eyi-one ugogo uzohlala nobani. Ngono akhulise bona labantwana laba ngoba siyazi abantwana bekho guilty bafethu abantwana ba-innocent abazilutho yitho esibaletha la ngokuclever bethu angithi bayasihlula sihlolwa isipho esibuya kuNkulunkulu South Africans kanjani uma umuntu it's a disgrace uma umuntu ngiyengizwe sisifanisa nezinja or abantu bafaniswa nezinja the other gender ifanisa the other gender nezinja. I don't understand. Izinja bafethu ziphila ngama-morals
within their nature.
Ziphila nge-nature yazo within their nature my brother izinja or mhlambe siwarishwa ukuthi azigqoki yabona siwarishwa ukuthi siwarishwa ukuthi zenza i-sex nje sibhekile. No, it's their nature. Because you can't fanisa abantu nezinja of all animals. But into engibonile engingayiprove ukuthi izinja ziphila within their nature. Angeke ubone inja egay. Angeke ubone inja lesbian. Or izinja zilala negender ye-one. Angeke uyibone leyo nto. Yabo zenziwa abantu so thina asisifaniseni nabantu yabo sizokwazi ukuthi noma umuntu ayigay mfethu ne it's not your problem.
Yes.
It's their problem.
It's their
And in fact iki problem komuntu nyawo fela
Yes.
kulo muntu akugaze kwaba iproblem makuyi problem uzozibona lo muntu uzobona ukuthi wenzani yabo so naleyo nto futhi bafethu I hate it discrimination yabona ukuthi lona irasta lona imuslim lona ichristian lona i-traditional healer lona hayi bafethu ngicela sihlukaneni nempilo zabanye abantu sifocus empilweni zethu if ungeke uphile nalowo muntu suka phambi kwakhe easy yabona kuyakhulunywa la kuma social media ama-gay this ama-traditional healers this ama-Christian this Muslim this I hate that part yabona le nto leyo bafethu angeke sisendawo singabantu at the end of the day singabantu akekho unanomhlaba bafethu akekho unanomhlaba sonke siyancenyiswa la uNkulunkulu awacreator uyasincenyisa singazo khoma ngezinto esizithola la emhlabeni right successful ngendlela successful ngayo siyabonga yabo I don't have to say hey wena uphele this hey wena if uliphuwa ke sakhona ukuthusa hlwana nalomuntu angisakhona ukumsiza kusuka umenza abephuwa in the first place yabo so bafethu asiphikisaneni bafethu ipeace into simple masikhuluma seke lokuthembisana ukuthi ungangithembisa ngereverse ngiyabona ukuthi uzisithembisana ngereverse umuntu akathi njobo athi wena mazi ngubani do you know who I am reverse threat leyo
Reverse psychology.
yazi into engayekwenza yona mina uyabona uyangazi ngubani hayi ne physical body yakho yasho ukuthi awuyamthreatina wena so asiyekeni le arrogance South Africa nyazi sikwatile inhliziyo zethu zibhlungu for different reasons singayisiyeke impilo zethu zishintshe South Africans nabantwana bethu na baphenduka amazombi manje uwes bafethu isimo soWest ngapha ama-politicians asisizene singabogogo ngoba nawe uzoba ugogo singabomkhulu ngoba nawe uzoba mkhulu ngiyabonga bafethu and ningakhohlwa bafethu kunama-brand njengithanda nike niwabheke nikhumbule nezibhayile Benny & Betty kule Christmas nisithengele iBenny & Betty kule Christmas nisithengele amtshele logo khona ibranding yase-Orlando le cold kunje yini leyana my brother
Cold. Is it cold or cool?
cold world
The cold world.
Yeah.
That's the one.
yeah hade ma-gents hade ma-twins hade ma-gents ngekhohlwa kanjani bafana bami hayi bhekani bafethu abantu nabo bakhumbule ukuthi lapho e-Alexander nikhona bafethu yabo ne-podcast yenu lapho bafethu I'm a subscriber by the way
Yes.
yeah Untold Stories thank you very much bane-branding clothing laphayana bafethu i-Cold World anibasapotele bafethu siyabona nathi nisupporte ngapha klika danko sambile thi sohlala sibuya kodwa every Sunday